Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, we got 3 spoilers that are confirmed for the September BoxyCharm box. Now this is for the standard $21 subscription box. But first, before we get into it, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos and sometimes I'll go off grid and do something else I'm interested in. Now it's time to read the first comment from my last video, which was, "Hey you, YouTube viewers, congratulations, WC forever." WC says, "You're fine AF, aha, aha, smoking." Well, shucks, WC. That's kind of making me blush. Thank you so much I really appreciate you having your notification bell set, and I'm so glad to have you a part of my family, and I love you so, so much. Now, guys, stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I picked from that video. And if you want to shout out, make sure you leave a comment on this here video. Now, to get into these spoilers, y'all. Now, these, again, are confirmed, but these are going to be variations. These are 3 palettes, and you will get one out of these 3 palettes. So the first one is the Violet Voss Essentials palette. The second one is the Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping palette. Now that's a mouthful. I got that palette, but I love it. And then the last one, but not least, is the Too Faced Natural Face palette. Again, you will get one out of the 3 of these palettes, y'all. And as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, I'll keep you guys updated. Now for the picked comment. Congratulations, Kandy Cos. Kandy Cos says, "You're such an angel. Keep doing what you're doing, love." Well, Kandy, thank you so much for being a part of my family. Y'all, Kandy has been with me for I don't know how long. She was one of my first friends here on YouTube, and we done a collab, and I'm trying to get another collab with her this Halloween because she does all them fancy looks, those cosplay looks. Y'all got to check her out. I'm going to go ahead and link her below. Send her some love, y'all. Thank you so much, Kandy. I'm so proud to have you a part of my family, and I love you so much, honey. Again, guys, if y'all want to shout out, leave a comment on this here video, and it'll be in the next video. Alright, so as always, guys, BoxyCharm will be linked below if you want to go check them out. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. I mean, why wouldn't you? It's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button. And also, guys, rate the video for me. Give it a thumbs up. Don't pay that thumbs down no attention. It don't even work. And it only just shows engagement. But it also shows me what you guys are liking, so I can do more of them. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that bell notification. That way you know of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss none of these spoilers. And I'm so sorry that YouTube makes you do 20,000 different things before you say, "Hey, I like this channel and want to be part of it." I love y'all so much, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.